Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening settings and tapping sound and vibration so you reach the controls immediately. This is faster than searching menus. Once there, make sure Do Not Disturb is off so vibration options become editable, and check that system sounds are enabled. You should now see ringtone, notifications, and vibration intensity. These are the items you will adjust. Tap vibration to open intensity and pattern controls, because that is where you set how strong and when your phone vibrates. Now adjust vibration intensity. Slide the call, notification, and touch sliders to increase or decrease strength. This directly changes motor power, so louder environments often need higher intensity. Next, select a pattern or tap Create to record a custom rhythm, press and hold to record pauses and beats, then save. Make sure to press Test or Play after changing a pattern so you feel the result immediately. If the motor response is weak, raise intensity slightly and retest until it feels right. Finally, assign vibration per contact or app by opening the contact or app notification settings and choosing the vibration pattern you just saved. This personalizes alerts so you know who is contacting you without looking. If vibration fails, restart the phone first and toggle vibration off and on in settings. This often resets the motor. If problems persist, check for system updates, test safe mode to rule out apps, and only consider a factory reset when other fixes fail. Backup data before doing that.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.